If you're looking to keep track of pending, signed, and lost proposals, this quick guide will show you the best way to do it in under 3 minutes. It doesn't have to be complicated, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stay organized and on top of all your proposals. Whether you're dealing with a stack of paper or drowning in emails, keeping track of your proposals is crucial for business success. I'll also show you a simple software solution to help manage all of this, and there's a special free trial available just for you. Stick around because this method will save you time and headaches. First, let's break it down. When you're tracking proposals, you want to make sure you have clear categories: pending, signed, and lost. This helps you visualize where each proposal stands and prevents any from slipping through the cracks. For pending proposals, keep a folder or system where proposals that are awaiting client response go. This could be as simple as a color-coded system in a spreadsheet or using a software tool that lets you assign specific statuses like awaiting approval. The key here is setting reminders to follow up and tracking your communication with the client to stay on top of things. Once a proposal is signed, you need to move it into the signed category. This is where you can mark the proposal as confirmed and start planning the next steps. Whether it's starting a project or sending an invoice, moving it into this category means the deal is done and you can proceed. Now, for lost proposals, it's important to track these as well, even though it might be tough to revisit proposals that didn't work out. But knowing why a proposal was lost can help you improve for the future. You can store these in a separate folder or database and make notes on why the proposal didn't close, whether it was a budget issue, timing, or another factor. This helps with future proposals, as you can adjust your strategy based on past experiences. Now, you could track these manually, but honestly, it's much easier with software. I've tested several options, and the software I recommend does an excellent job of managing each stage. It's user-friendly and lets you track pending, signed, and lost proposals effortlessly. This software also offers automatic follow-ups and reminders, which is a huge time saver. You can even generate reports and see trends over time, making it much easier to learn from both wins and losses. I'll link to an exclusive free trial below for anyone watching this video, so you can follow along with the tool I'm using. It's free for a limited time, but only for my channel viewers. Here's the key takeaway. Organizing your proposals into 3 categories, pending, signed, and lost, gives you a clear overview of where each deal stands. By using a simple system or software, you'll streamline your workflow and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. To quickly recap, keep pending proposals in a separate folder, follow up with reminders. Move signed proposals into the completed section and focus on next steps. And don't forget to track lost proposals. These provide valuable feedback for future deals. If you're looking to automate and simplify this process, I highly recommend trying out the software I mentioned. Don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.